Children, welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Okay. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityoma gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay. This is the today's quote. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly. There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly. Right, children? Last class we discussed about folk dance of India. In the same way, I show you some images. You have to find about the dance. Right? You have to see the images. Can you identify what is the dance is this? What is the name of the dance? Yeah, this is the image of Karagatam. Right? This is the image of Dabbukali. Right? Now I am going to detail in this dance. Detail explain in this dance. Karagatam. Karagatam is the folk dance of Tamil Nadu. Karagatam is the name of the pot on the head. Karagatam is the folk dance of Tamil Nadu. Are you saw the Karagatam dance, children? Where you saw the Karagatam? Right. Karagatam is the name of the pot on the head. This is the image of the Karagam. So this dance is called Karagatam. The Karagatam dance is classified into two types. One is Atta Karagam and Shakti Karagam. Atta Karagam is performed only for the entertainment and Shakti Karagam is only performed in temples. Are you clear about Karagatam dance? Okay. This is the image of Dabbukali. Dabbukali is the dance form of Kerala. Dabbukali is the dance form of Kerala. It is the dance of Muslims in Kerala. This is the dance of Muslims in Kerala. The dancers form two rows. The dancers form two rows. Each dancers play the dabbu instrument. Each dancers play the dabbu instrument. So the dance is called Dabbukali. This is the image of dabbu. Dabbu. Are you saw the instrument? Where you saw? Okay. In this class, we discussed about Karagatam dance and Dabbukali dance. Karagatam is the name of the part on the head that is called Karagam. So this dance is known for Karagatam dance. Next Dabbukali. Dabbukali is the folk dance of Kerala. So this dance played with a dabbu instrument. So this dance is called Dabbukali. Are you clear about Karagatam dance and Dabbukali dance? Right. Children, this is time for your vision therapy, that is eye exercise. Right? Blinking is today's eye exercise. This blinking exercise help your eyes feel refreshed to ready to focus again. So this exercise helps decrease eye strain. Okay, children. The blinking exercise helps your eyes feel refreshed, ready to focus again. Okay. How will you do this exercise? You have to set a timer for 2 minutes, blink every 4 seconds, right? Set a timer for 2 minutes and blink every 4 seconds. Right, children? You repeat this exercise 3 times a day when working with digital device, right? So you overcome the pain of digital eye strain, right? You have to follow the tips means to overcome the pain of digital eye strain, right? Next, you have to drink plenty of water, right? You have to drink plenty of water. It will help flush out the salt in the body. So you have to drink plenty of water, right, children? This is time for your homework. Do question number 2 in content book, page number 38. Do question number 2 in content book, page number 38. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you, children.